Good morning. Welcome to wait, what? Well, welcome back to another video. It's 9:05 and mom and I are going to be doing a Zumba class. We're going to Zumba. We just finished Zumba.
Sweaty. I'm sweaty. I need a shower.
Your hair. Yay, we just went to Target. Yay. We had to get some stuff and I just got some Starbucks because I'm tired. I got my hazelnut shaken oat milk espresso and I also got a cake pop. It's definitely a little later, guys. We finished our workout and everything. It's currently 1:40. We're on the way to Camarillo. Woohoo! Just made it to, what is this place called? Underwood Farms.
That guy's staring at your car.
Oh.
The guy was checking your car out. He's like,
I know, why was he just
he
like...
broke his neck.
I know. That's so funny. I thought he was looking at my camera, but then he's like looking down. Oh, I guess my car.
Looking at your,
We got front row parking, which is amazing. Whoa, it smells so good.
That's really good.
Fresh strawberries. Look at the livestock. You can pay to feed them. Okay, so I got some oats. We're gonna feed the goats. That rhymes. We're gonna go into this little market first. Oh, it looks so fresh. Look at all these cauliflower. They look like little dinosaurs. Oh, look at these carrots. They're like little shrubs. Hey, come on. Look, coconut water with peach and mango.
Try that?
Should we try it?
Sure.
Okay, get one. Apple picking. He's excited. Hi. Look at him. Oh my god, he's waiting. Oh my god. Look at how it eats it. Look. Oh my god, that's so funny. Sure, they eat all day? Yeah. Take some out.
I have a lot of oat.
Wait, here, Mom. Why don't you go feed these ones? Sorry. Oh. Here you go. Look at Mom. Oh my gosh, they eat it so funny. Ready, go. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness,
Oh my gosh, she's hungry. Oh my god.
And that one just eats from the bottom.
He's looking at you like, hurry. We made it.
I get one strawberry, one blueberry. Get your own.
That one looks big.
Look, they
Let's
have
go here.
raspberries.
What? Are these These are
It's
raspberries.
like a video of me farming.
Look how many blueberries there are. Guys, there's so many big strawberries in this lane, but there's water. And I'm not wearing the right shoes. I'm wearing white shoes. Let's see if he can get them. Here's Mom and Dad, right there. Let's go in this way. Look at, there's 3. What the heck? That one's black, Dad. That one's mold or what?
Oh, no.
Okay, fine. Wait, look at how big this one is, guys.
Look.
Ew.
I put this one, I don't want it.
No, why?
It's not red.
It's like a brain one.
I got the best one.
I think we're done strawberry picking. I tried to catch a strawberry that he threw and I got in my purse a little bit, but it's okay. Some of the strawberries, the inside, like the middle part is mushy, and it's because oh my god. Like that. It's super mushy. There's insects inside. We just stopped by the outlet to get my uncle a gift. Now we're at the restaurant. We're waiting for my parents. We're in downtown Camarillo, I think. Birthday, dear Uncle Greg. Happy birthday to you. Woo! from picking our berries. Sorry, this is not part of the picking. We bought that one. But now that we're home from berry picking, we're gonna weigh who has the heaviest and the biggest blueberry.
It's all like corroded and stuff.
Wait, it's
bro.
not
Look at this.
focusing. Oh,
that's bad.
Where'd you get that?
Poison. You cannot touch it.
Bro, why you tell me that?
These two, I think, are my biggest
You only
ones.
can pick one.
Look at mom's one.
Mine's tall.
Oh, you picked it up?
No, it's not.
picked it
I
up?
literally have the video.
Okay.
Okay, go.
1, 4,
We're
yeah.
all equally tied. Before I take off my makeup and everything, I just want to end the vlog here, which is why I have my headband and everything on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Or we'll want to try a strawberry. Okay. Ew. Good morning. Decided to vlog today too because my vlog wasn't really long enough from yesterday, so I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Mom and I are going for a run this morning. We're training for a half marathon, which is so exciting, but it's not any half marathon. We're doing the Disney half marathon, which is so fun. I'm so excited for it, but we do have to prep and train. I haven't ran a half marathon in probably like 10 years, so we're training. We're going back to training. Today's OOTD for running. Finished our run. We ran for about 40 minutes and we're focused on our time so we can build up our endurance instead of miles, which is really nice. I was following my Garmin coach and I'm so grateful that I had my Garmin coach, and I'm so grateful that mom was able to go on the run with me today. It was a beautiful day. It was not too hot, not too sunny, which is perfect. But now I'm gonna make some breakfast and get ready to go. It's a little bit later. We have Megan over here. We're gonna go pick up
Did you wipe the strawberries from it? Oh, I forgot the strawberries at home.
Just went to CVS, so we picked up some alcohol, and I got my favorite shop. Like this. We don't know how to take shots. We have alcohol chasers. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
Here, man.
Not outside.
You feel it? Yeah, I felt it.
That was so hard to do.
I washed it.
Did you wash this for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You did? You put it in the pool?
All the things.
You did? All the way over there. What did you say? Okay, thanks.
Spaghetti?
Oh my gosh, your head is so cute.
Oh yeah, try these, baby.
Is it recorded? I did. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's so
Somebody
good.
touching my spaghetti. What?
I am. My name is
Where?
My name is Nondale, and this is the Wagyu Picanha.
OMG. Okay, you guys, can you introduce yourself to the vlog? Oh, hold on, it zoomed in.
Have you? I'm Johntel.
I'm Dakota.
And we're Jacoda.
Oh, nice, nice. Cheers.
Jajamian.
Oh my god, I'm dying. Why? What are you doing?
What is this? Oh shit. What is it? I literally thought this was an iPod. I thought this was like an iPod. What is that? So funny. It's a thermometer. Oh.
Wait, it's not focusing, man. It's like a rectal thermometer. You guys want to eat the steak?
Dying.
Okay, let's eat the steak after they take their shot.
This is my last shot.
Well, there's no more, so yes. Yeah, you're right.
We should go to the nightclub. This is a day club.
You should go to time right now.
8. How was that?
16.
Hey.
I wanted to buy that.
Oh, really?
I'll buy one.
You better keep that in this one.
Do that again. That was so funny.
Huh?
Do it again. That was so funny.
Shit! Shit! Shit!
What are you doing? What are you? Those
He's been making it.
Look at Nono.
Oh!
Let's go bowling.
Right.
Apparently, we're doing unlimited bowling today.
We also got chip.
Bro, we got a strike. yeah.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo!
I told you a spare.
Shut it down. Woo! Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And do it. And do it. And do it. Do it. And do it. And do it. Do it. Do it. And do it. And do it. And do it.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Peace
Haters.
out.
Like
Say
a-
peace out, haters.
You're like a
Peace out,
DJ.
hater.